So Mr. Swanky here outside the city, just wrapped up all my meetings, and the vlog might be getting an upgrade. I'm going to take you guys on a walk about 10 blocks to look at some possible new vlogging equipment. Come with me. So I made it to Times Square, but I'm not at my destination yet. Let's do a little sightseeing. Okay, continue to walk. We're getting really close. Should be around here somewhere. Oh my god, I found it. I found it. It's right here. I'm like a kid in a candy store. You ready? Oh, it's the DJI store. I gotta go in and look at a drone. So I'm at the DJI Experience Store here in New York. The question is, do I go with the Air? Do I go with the Spark? One more. Actually, two more. Do I go with the Mavic Pro? Right there. Or do we upgrade real big and go with that guy? That one's like $5,000, so it's a little out of my price range. I'm gonna talk to these guys and see what they recommend. So after all that talking and all that research, that's the one I want to get. Hopefully soon. So that was awesome. Bringing a drone to the vlog would just be so cool. Recording in there is quite difficult. And to be honest, I'm still kind of not comfortable recording in front of all those other people. I guess you get used to it the more you do it. So thanks again for watching. Keep up to date with our vlog, and you'll see if we ever add a drone. Have a good one.